Hello. Just got home from work, as you can tell, and I'm just gonna unload some Costco items, and then we're gonna go for a W. Isn't that right? Oh yeah. I filmed the Costco shop with me. I do it a lot on TikTok, but I actually don't really show what I actually buy. When I do my Costco hauls, I buy for work, for my dad and like what he needs, and then my brothers. So there's a lot of things that are in a trip that I buy, but they're not all for me. And I don't think I've ever disclosed that. So you guys on YouTube, you know the real gist. So out of my most recent TikTok video, which I'll leave linked down in the description, this is what I actually bought for myself. Flowers, steak spice, man bread, baby bells, which usually I could leave at work, but I wanted them for myself and for Brenda. That I took to work. I didn't buy that at Costco. Creme brulee. Try that. I'm really excited. Maybe I'll try it tonight because Brendan got a butane like kitchen torch thing. And then the Premier Protein chocolate mix that you saw as I was taking the bag. And a doormat. That's all that I got. So I'm gonna put this away and then we're gonna go take this one for a walk. Quite the intro, but as you can tell, he's starting to whine and cry. So we gotta get going. I'm also starving, so I'm gonna eat one of these turkey bites, which is also from Costco. Oh, you like these, don't you? Yeah, they're good, aren't they? I think they expire. Yeah. These expired a while ago. No wonder it's so juicy. Blech, I need to go rinse out my mouth. Oh my goodness. I forgot my hat, but I already put my shoes on. But it's cold. Ugh. Oh, I'll use Brendan's. Oh, this is a big hat. Alrighty. See you guys in a bit. Alright, I'm gonna let your tummy settle and then we'll give you some food. Yeah, I forgot to say, we got a new light for the great room. That's it there. Very pretty. If you are ever in the Cambridge area, on Hespeler Road, there's a shop called The Lighting Shop. It's really good. It is very inexpensive. Like we got a long light for our dining room, which maybe we'll install tonight or this weekend. I will probably install it this weekend, so it'll be in next week's vlog. It's the light that we're getting, and that's gonna go above the dining room table. We got that long light, that light, and then a light for our front porch that wraps around the corner. Our bedroom light and a light for the other bedroom, and it was like $1,200, $1,800 for all of those lights. So I thought that was a really good deal. That's what we got. But anyway, that's an update on our house. Can you get off the mat? Liv. So I bought this mat at Costco to put on the front porch because we just have a happy holidays, and he's now, this is my mat, of course. Doesn't bother me until I need to do something, and he's like, nope, I'm gonna be calm now. Oh my goodness. Can I take the mat outside, please? You don't even lay on this mat. What? But this is a new mat, and I like it. Not very original with the white hydrangeas, but in the winter, I like to splurge and add an extra $15 to my grocery order and get nice flowers. Like I planted tulips this year, which I'm really excited for. So I'm gonna put all of our tulips around the house, but for right now, we're going to the grocery store and buying flowers. Oh, I forgot to put that in. Hello. So, I am not the greatest at vlogging and keeping up with vlogging, but today's the next day. Today is Friday. I just got home from work. Elf has been fed, so he's just settling a little bit before we go for a W. He wants to go right now. But before, while he settles, I'll show you my Facebook Marketplace find. This chair, she's beautiful. It's $50, which I think is a lot of money for this chair, considering, and like there's still some chips in the staining in here. Actually, I'll just show you. Some little nicks and all that stuff that's in here, but you know what? It's a nice wide chair. I'm really happy with it. This also comes out, like it comes off. It's not attached to it. She just refinished it. Do the greatest job, but will do the trick. Basically, I just wanted a chair in our bedroom. I don't know, just be a dumping ground for our clothes and like throw pillows. So I don't mind the color of it. I think it's fine. So I'm gonna get the green vacuum later and then just clean the cushion. Doing a quick spray while I'm waiting. So I always feel weird about negotiating when I'm at the person's house. I love the porch pickups. I think it's great. It's the, like she was like, yeah, come into my garage, it's right here. And I was like, okay, and then her husband was with her, and I'm looking at the scratches immediately. I'm like, I could probably talk her down to like 40, but it stressed me out, and I had my dog in the car barking. I don't think so. He was just going crazy, and I was like, oh, I just want to get out of this situation, so I gave her the 50 bucks and was like, yeah, whatever. Excuse me, sir, what do you think you're doing? What are you doing? Why? You don't eat that. Okay, that's as clean as it's gonna get for now, I think. For the most part. I'll wait till we get back from our walk because Elf is not gonna won't let me take it upstairs and show you where it's gonna go because he wants to move. Anyway, go because I'm really impatient. I want to measure to see if this hutch cabinet will fit because I love it and I want it to fit in our house. Where can I put you so that you can see it? Depth is 21 inches, so. Shit, that's gonna be way too big because it'll come out to here. So that's already not gonna work, which sucks. And then it is 65 inches long. And excuse me, which is too long. That hits the door. So it won't work here. So, 7 feet. Down here. So that's not too bad. I think we have 10 foot ceilings. So that won't fit here. It would fit perfectly right there. Like that would be a great spot for it. Alf, just wait. But then we have nowhere to put the fridge and the oven. We can't really put that here. Eventually when we redo this kitchen, we're gonna do a big island right here and the oven's gonna go in the island. Like maybe when we gut this kitchen, we can move the fridge and put it over there and then put it there, but that won't be for another year or so because we're still like saving up for it and all that stuff because it's gonna be a huge, big project. We have big, high hopes for this kitchen. It's gonna look beautiful. So anyway, so another thing that we can do is in this room, we could put it here, but I don't know if that's gonna work with like the window and like the fireplace right there. We could put it right here, like move the stereo system. That might be deep enough. Like we could put it there. That might work. Another option, which it might be too like long, is to put it there. So 21 deep, so it would come out to here, which is pretty, like that's a tight corner if you're coming out. So you don't want to lose that. Over here, so it's just a little wider or sticks out than this cabinet. Dang it, it's too long. This wall from here to here, to the wall, this is 63. So that won't fit this way. So from here out, that will hit the window. So that sucks. Brendan's gonna have to come home and help me visualize this because I want this thing so badly. I just feel like having that big thing between the window and the fireplace might look a little out of place. So what we could do is move the fireplace over here and then put that like hutch there. But I do think it's best fit for a kitchen. Alfie! All right, I gotta go. We're back. The dog has been walked and we ran and I'm tired. Also, my hair is so greasy. I was supposed to wash it last night, but after we were cleaning and we had dinner, we finished The Highwaymen on Netflix. I had no idea the whole thing with Bonnie and Clyde. Like, I had no idea how like celebrated they were and for what they did. I also, for some reason in my head, just thought they were like, I just pictured them as Burt Reynolds, like Smokey and the Bandit, like that guy. Like, I don't know why that was in my head. Anyway, it makes me an idiot and not paying attention to anything. So anyway, we ended up finishing the movie and we didn't get into bed till like 11, I want to say, and that's really late for me. So anyway, enough of that. I got my Amazon package, but I'm excited for this. I just hope it is what I'm looking for, and so far that looks pretty good. Basically, I wanted Lunchable containers. Perfect. I wasn't big on the colors. I literally just wanted plain. That would have been perfect. I tried to find glass, but I also couldn't find that, and these were like 20 bucks. So they're 4. Also, speaking of plastic dates, last week for work, I stocked up on paper straws. Like, when I tell you I stocked up. Oh, where did all my straws go? Right. I have 2 right here, but I had like a whole mitt full. Long story short, I got these containers for work because I am a grazer, I've learned. I am not one to eat big meals. I just like to snack on things. So I wanted to get these to put like nuts, fruit, vegetables, crackers, cheese, all that sort of stuff. And then I can have these at work and then just like snack and pick on them all day. And then I'll have like a sandwich or something that I can pick on, or usually just leftovers. So did take the chair upstairs though, so I'm gonna show you that because it's pretty cool. My face, it is so cold outside, but it's like deceivingly cold. It doesn't seem that cold, but it's cold. But I didn't wear a hat on our walk. My ears are a little chilly. My sister stayed over this week and didn't see all that well, so I put the baby gate, dog gate, at the top of the stairs, but Brendan and I are gonna leave it up here to slowly phase him out to know that he's not allowed upstairs. Right? You're not allowed up here? Good boy, you stay down there. Anyway, sorry, I didn't mean to quickly jump ship from this, but I need to make my bed. Here's the chair. I took the lamp from the den and popped it in here to make it, you know, cozy. I don't really see this as a reading chair, but it's more just to throw things on. And then I think I'll get some like art prints, maybe like 2 things and put them there. I have that print I might swap over. I feel like that would make it look nice and pretty. I had this print. Oh wait, here are all my straws. Anyway, I had this in a frame and I posted it on Instagram when it happened, but I basically had it there, and the night that we hung it up, we were sleeping, and about like 4, 5 a.m. the thing smashed. Scared the crap out of me, but basically we don't have a frame for this anymore. But I love this print. It reminds me of New Brunswick. So side track, I could find a frame for that and put it there as well. That's what I was getting with that. And then I had a mirror and I just popped it behind the door for now so I can still do like fit checks and stuff. Is what it is. But fix this because this is bothering me so much. Okay, that's better. So one change that we've done is we've changed out this lamp. Let me turn this off so you can see it. But I think I talked about this yesterday, but it's from the lighting shop in Cambridge. I love it. It's a really nice lamp. The only thing, I kind of wish it were a little bit longer because it sticks down a little bit, but it is very nice. I like it, and it makes me want to get some gold lamps to go on the nightside table. Yeah, we also got some art to go here. We will probably put that up this weekend. We just haven't decided which one we like. I bought both from HomeSense to see. So we have this Ford print, which Brendan used to work at Ford, so that's why it kind of works with us. I have this one, and I like the colors of it. I really think This one is pretty, like the subtle green. I think this works. The only thing is it's like a very vertical photo, so unless we could find something to go beside it, it would work, but I don't know what would go beside it, so that's a thing. And then the other one is this one that's a bit, that's horizontal. I don't know, I think this will be in next week's vlog because we'll be doing this on Sunday. I'm hanging the pictures, doing the light downstairs, all that sort of stuff. I really like this one, but I just don't know if it will fit in our room. That's the only thing. Are you having fun? Are you enjoying yourself? Look at your little wiggle. Is that your fun bone? Oh my goodness, look at you. Okay, good boy. That's a good bubs. I'm not taking it. Brendan's home. Alf, is Brendan home? Is Brendan home? Yeah, anyway, now that Brendan's home, I'm going to unload the dishwasher, clean these, and make dinner. And I don't know what we're doing for dinner. Honestly, I kind of want to go to the restaurant across the street and go to our pub because we haven't been in a really long time and I'm starving and I just don't have the motivation to cook, even though I did just go do a grocery order and put everything in the fridge. We'll see what Brendan says. I think he's went to Costco too to get the dog food, so he might come home with something from Costco. We'll find out. But anyway, we'll talk to you guys later.